Welcome to Sydney, a 5-minute travel guide to Australia's most iconic city, Australia's most famous landmark. Opened in 1973, this UNESCO-listed icon hosts over 2,500 performances every year. Climb it if you dare. Known as the Coat Hanger, this bridge offers breathtaking panoramic views of Sydney's skyline. Sun, surf, and stunning views. One of the world's most famous beaches, perfect for surfing, swimming, or just relaxing in the sun. Sydney's entertainment hub. From fine dining to family fun, Darling Harbour is a must-visit for any traveler. A nature lover's paradise. Just a short drive from Sydney, this UNESCO-listed wonder offers hiking trails, waterfalls, and stunning rock formations. Sydney is a city of adventure, culture, and breathtaking scenery. Which place would you visit first? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe.